Hi guys, my name is Alibek and you are on our YouTube video channel Nevestate when we are talking about international real estate market and meets with a real estate specialist. Today I would like to show you one of the best luxurious projects which will be located on most lovely Jumeirah Palm on the first row with direct access to the beach and the beautiful stunning sunset and the skyline view. Today I will show you the mock-up, will share you the details, and I will tell you why you should need to get more focusing on this best investment opportunity. So let's go, we'll check the model. So guys, there is actually the model, which is the building will be consist on the ground floor and 9 residential floors. The developer can offer the apartments of 2 and 3 and 4 bedroom, which is consist of like a 2 and 3 bedroom apartment will be planning to view to the sea backside and the front side view, and 4 bedroom duplexes on the high floor and also the penthouse. Each apartment has like a private pool and the terrace. From the back side will be the view from 4 bedroom penthouses and 3 bedroom apartments to the Burj Al Arab. And the front side there is a view to blue waters and Dubai Eye and the beautiful skyline. So in total will be 130 units. Regarding the amenities, which is going to be inside the building, the direct access to the beach, gym, the steam room, sauna, yoga center, private cinema area, and it will be branded by one of the famous hotel residential services brands in all of the world, like SLS. The short information regarding the pricing: the starting price will start from 2.3 million for the unit of 2 bedroom apartments and the living area of 193 square meters. The ceiling height will get for maximum 8 meters, which is actually I didn't heard any other projects which can offer this kind of highest of ceiling. So the payment plan is 60 to 40, 60% you need to pay under construction and 40% on handover. Just only for the booking the unit you need to pay 20% plus 4% registration fee, and can pay additional each quarterly 10% by once in 3 months. And guys, please let's meet with the representative of the developer. He will give us any additional useful information regarding the project. So guys, I would like to introduce you the representative of the developers, James. James, hi.
Hi.
Yeah, thank you for the invitation, for your time.
My pleasure.
Actually, James, there is a lot of requests we're receiving from our investments. They heard something regarding the project, and we just like to give some brief information. And the clients, I would like to know more about it, actually developer. So can you please let us know?
Yeah, briefly. I mean, we're part of a big Abu Dhabi conglomerate, so it's a local company. But Roya was set up as a new name to enter the Dubai market, so it's the first project for them here in Dubai. Ruya in Arabic actually means vision. So the idea is that we want to be a visionary developer for the luxury market here in Dubai. We think there's a big gap for luxury supply. There's lots of demand for it, but not that much supply.
Okay.
So we're here to fill that gap. And we actually bought 3 other plots as well here in Dubai, prime plots. So we'll be releasing information on those soon. This is our first project, but we have others coming up.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds really nice. And can you please share the brief information regarding the project? Maybe some kind of insight, additional like benefits, amenities.
Yeah.
What's it going to do?
So I mean the main, if we talk about the unique selling points of the building, apart from the location and the quality, is the price really. probably the main factor.
Yeah.
Our average price is under 5,000 per square foot, so it's very hard to find that anywhere on the Palm for this quality and this location. Branding adds 20 to 25% to the value anyway, so we're way below market if you take all that into account, and we're one of the best quality projects on the Palm. So from an investment point of view, the play is the capital value appreciation. People who are buying now will experience very high capital value appreciation between now and construction. Not so much of an ROI product. You know, if you rent it out, maybe you get 5%, but this is more the play on the capital value appreciation. In terms of the amenities, we have some unique facilities like a private dining area where people can invite a chef in to cook for them and their friends. We have a 12-seat private cinema, high-end games room. We have a guest suite as well, which is quite nice. So if people come to stay with you, but they don't want to be in your apartment, you can book the guest suite for them. Mm-hmm. We have a clubhouse, indoor-outdoor gym, curated scent for the building. It's going to have its own smell.
How many units will be offering in total in this building?
Okay, so there's 113 in total.
113.
Yeah, the distribution is 2-bed, 3-bed, and 4-bed.
No one bedroom.
No one beds, no.
Okay, what about the payment plan?
Payment plan is 60-40. So 60 during construction, 40 on completion. 20% down payment.
20% plus 4% down payment. Yeah. Where is that additional, like a 60%? You should need to pay each 10% quarterly, or?
No. So it's after signing, it's 10% after 2 months, then after 6 months, then after 12 months, then after 18 months.
Okay.
And then 40 on completion.
So I saw the apartments plan and the floor plan. So actually, they're mostly 3-bedroom with the sea view, water view, and 2-bedroom from the left side, or is something?
Well, 2 beds are both sides because they're in the middle of the building. So these are the 2 beds in this block, if you like, and 2 beds on this side as well. Here you're looking towards the marina. Here you're looking towards the open sea. And then we have 3-bed simplex here, 3-bed simplex here, and then the duplex are all on each side of the building. So these duplex 3- and 4-bed look out towards the ocean, and these look in towards the Palm. So here you've got Atlantis, the Royal Bush, Al Arab view.
Okay.
Marina view over there.
So the back side is mostly Burj Al Arab view, and the left side is to Dubai Eye and the blue water sea.
Exactly, yeah. And ocean. And we have 8-meter floor to ceiling height in the duplex.
8 meters floor to ceiling height. This is unbelievable. I didn't heard any other projects which means much higher ceiling, more than 7 meters.
And they all come with pools on the terraces as well.
Yeah. Okay, Jane, thank you. Thank you for your time.
My pleasure, yeah.
Just,
any other questions, let me know.
Yeah, so guys, if you have any additional questions regarding the projects, please click the link below, and I will send you the best offer in these beautiful projects. Thank you very much. Guys, please click the link below if you are planning to send me the request regarding this beautiful project, and I will prepare the best offer. Don't forget to click the bell and click the likes. Don't need to miss our latest video in our channel. And thank you for being in us. See you on the next video.